fishery of the Cowlitz River. Beautiful out here. Got a set for the hottest boat out here right now. Beating them up, so I'll be on the next one here. We'll get ready to go and get you some more skydives. Nice little Thor-built boat. Here we are fishing this morning. Captain Ronnie Boy. Peace. Cowlitz River. Got a little Roscoe here. Jesse, Philip, I gotta go because we might get a fish on. Just getting a little introduction going. Here we go, another one. Number 5. Hook number 5. Come on, baby, let's go. Actually, number 6. We lost one.
On the hook set. No. Broke the leader. Bad knot. Reel down, keep pressure on, Jess.
It's a big boy.
Come on, Jesse. If he's a chromer, I'm gonna swap it with that black one. Sorry, gotta do it.
There you go. Good job, Jesse.
Come on, baby boy.
Come on, bro, stay on his ass. Don't fucking give him nothing. Nice fish, nice fish. Yeah, baby.
This Springer, Robert?
I don't know. I ain't seen him yet.
No.
There he is. Big old fish. Nice fish. Big chromer.
Oh, big old 20-pound spring Chinook.
Be lovely, right?
Down in the water.
Go down in the water, Jess.
Down in the water.
Jeez, there he goes again. There he goes again.
Straight up.
Big fish. Big fish. Straight up, Jess. Straight up in the air. Nice fish. Yeah, baby. Oh, shit. Hey, that's mine, cabron. That is mine, cabron. That is mine.
What the hell?
Yeah, baby. Big. That is my bruiser. Thanks, Jess.
Look at that shit.
Look at that motherfucker. Look at that shit.
There you go. I tell you I was a baseball coach? Go ahead.
Hey, way to get that in, brother.
Yeah.
Woo. That's my fish.
Nice. This guy won't let it go.
Let's just get it straight.
Grab her on. There's two.
See a lot of people down below us here. A lot of people out here. Me fishing, of course. We need one more fish to go and we'll be done. I want to thank our wives and our girls for letting us come out. Especially Jesse's.
Especially me.
Because she wasn't going to let him come, but now she's going to have a fabulous dinner tonight.
Fabuloso.
And we're all getting together tonight and barbecue this shit up. So.
Glad we got those 4 girls off the boat before you start videotaping that.
Oh, yeah.
That one came out tight to the bank.
This guy's got one on down there?
Oh, yeah.
This guy's on below us here, but we don't care.
Big guy.
We'll be on next right now with the fish. Come back to you. Here we are, fish number 3 of the day. Slow day, but Ron's pulling them out.
This one's a new fish, one of those big old chromers. I think this might be a 14-pounder right here, Jerry.
Let's do it.
It's a 14-pounder.
No, Philip deserves this fish, man. You get it, bro. Stay on him. Don't give up on him, Phil. Look at Phil's already pausing the rod.
Pausing the rod. He runs, he's running.
Philip the dick face, hook the crow.
Philip the chile face. Cara de chile.
Shut up, cara mi culo.
Cara de chile. Chalele.
Yeah, this is one of those big old chromers, Philip.
Lovely.
It's a nice one.
Oh, yeah, baby.
That's like a little log. I don't want to come up. There he is.
Oh, he was jumping, dude. As soon as he hit, he was... It's a nice fish.
Nice and easy, Philip.
Nice.
Oh, yeah, he's a nice fish.
Hey, Philip. Yeah. When you go to net it, you need to be standing against the side of the boat. Not the back side, just that side, because the rods are real short.
Yep.
You're messing him up right now, Ron.
He knows how to handle a short rod.
There we go. There you go. Come on, Phil. That's a decent fish. Take it. Take it. Take it. They don't give up, dude. Right here. Right here. Where's he at?
Okay, ready? Same time, boys.
Come on, you guys.
No, we're not on him now. You're still out.
Nice fish. Nice fish. There it is. Done. There it is. Nice. Oh, that's a nice fish, dude. That's a nice steely. Look at that.
Nice.
God. Yeah, that's a good 10, 12, 11, 12 pounder, man. Pink. Good night. Way to go, brother. Yeah. Way to go, bro.
Wow.
Yeah. Let me see that nice fish, Phil. Let me see that fish. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby.
God's blessing right there.
Yes, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clancy's guide service.
Captain Ron Holt.
Down to the tree, but
Look at that light, sea lice just kicking off him.
Look at that. Was that sea lice? Sea lice.
Yeah. The sea lice, dude.
Right on, Phil. Right on.
smell I couldn't figure it out.
Right on, bro.
Hold the rod.
What is the smell? Planer.
I don't know. You can take a picture of you.
Yeah, one more.
Robert, shit.
Get in there, Robert.
Go ahead. Hurry up, boy.
Get in there, Rob. There you go. Nice. Nice.
Where's this? Okay, I want to make sure your other hand was up here.
Yeah.
That's the first time I've seen you drink.
Wish I would have brought you, son. I'll bring you next time, Bubba. I'm going to book our surgeon trip right now. Okay.
Wait. Just to let you know, these guys got rid of the girls before they got on board, you know? Is that one dripping blood some more?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, wash him out.
Yeah, baby. Jeezel.
All right. Good job, gentlemen. Hold him up higher. Come on.
Good shit. Good shit. Bang, bang, baby.
All right.